Hello, family and friends. This is Jessica with Van Life Living Arizona. Hi. I know it's been a while. I'm feeling great. I am awesome today. Today we are going to get my new radio put into the van because I wanted Bluetooth instead of using the little stupid connectors you put in your lighter. So yeah. I'm so happy. My van is still under a process of getting fixed. We have come to the conclusion that it could be the brake buster, the brake master cylinder area. That's what's vacuum leaking, whatever. Because when I put my foot on the brake, it stops. It stops. So my mechanic dude was like, okay, just bring it on Monday. We'll check it. We'll double check it to make sure. Because it could be any wires around it. It could just, we'll make sure. I said, okay, cool. And he says, whatever it is, I'll fix it for you because I just released your van to you. And I'm like, yes, thank you. So, today we're going to Thunderbird in Phoenix, Arizona to get my radio put in by Best Buy. Hopefully. So, we're driving on the freeway, as you can hear. Stick with me today. It may not be long clips, but it's going to be clips to the point that you know what I'm doing. Throw my window up. Van is running really well. The van is running really well to a certain point that I'm happy that I could go on a camping trip, go to a different spot and just hang out for a couple days. Yeah, I'm really happy. And let's put this weight loss update. As you can see, I'm losing more weight. I'm in the 240 range. I'm happy. I drink more coffee than I do food. And I know that's wrong.